Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and top product recommendations. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best wine glasses on the market right now. The TOSSWARE Reserve 16 ounces stemless wine glasses, crystal clear, stemless, and dishwasher safe. Let's get right into it. First off, if you're tired of worrying about broken glass at parties or want something that feels like glass without the fragility, this is your answer. TOSSWARE has created something that blends elegance with functionality. These glasses are made from premium Triton material, which means they're completely unbreakable, BPA-free, and incredibly durable. Triton isn't just plastic, it's a high-grade material that gives you the look and feel of real glass with none of the risks. At 16 fluid ounces per glass, they're the perfect size for a generous pour of your favorite red or white wine, and they work just as well for cocktails, sangria, juices, or even desserts. Whether you're hosting a classy dinner party or just kicking back with some rosé after work, these stemless glasses are designed to elevate your experience. The stemless design isn't just for aesthetics, it's practical. It lowers the center of gravity, so these glasses are far less likely to tip over. And since there's no stem, there's no awkward balance to worry about when you're carrying a tray or relaxing on the patio. It's about relaxed sophistication, no pretension, just pure enjoyment. What sets this particular set apart is the color series. Each glass in the set of 4 has a different vibrant base color. Not only does it add a fun visual twist to your table setting, but it's also a great way for guests to keep track of their drink. No more mix-ups at parties. And yes, they are dishwasher safe. That's huge. Unlike a lot of premium drinkware that requires delicate hand washing, you can toss these in the dishwasher without worrying about cracking, clouding, or fading. They come out crystal clear every time, ready for your next gathering. Feel wise, they've nailed it. These don't feel like cheap plastic tumblers. They've got a nice weight in the hand, light enough for comfort, but solid enough to feel like quality. The crystal clarity adds to the visual appeal, giving your drinks that nice clean presentation that makes all the difference. Considering their durability, style, and practicality, it's an excellent investment. You're not just buying disposable plastic cups. You're getting long-lasting, reusable glasses that look and feel like premium drinkware. It's the perfect blend of style, safety, and convenience. Whether you're entertaining guests or looking for everyday wine glasses that won't break in the sink, this set checks every box. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.